See students, to solve this we have one more method, that is the prime factorization with continued short division method. In short division method, how we have to do? One, I have showed you this tree method. Now we will see the short division method. See, we will first divide the number 28 by its smallest prime factorization, that is 2. So 2 14s are 28, or you can do like this: 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. So till we get here 1, we have to solve that. So 28 equal to this number we will take, that is 2 into 2 into 7. So it will be, this is the method. Which method? This is short division method. Same way you can see one more number here, same it is done, 270. So we have to divide that by 2, then 3, then again 3 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. So our prime factor will be 270 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this is our short division method. Next page sum I will give you in PDF, that you write. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Now we will see HCF and LCM. What is HCF? That is highest common factor. What is highest common factor? The highest common factor of two or more number is the largest number that divides the number without leaving any remainder. Means if there are no remainder, means the remainder is 0, then it is known as highest common factor. Two numbers with HCF are called co-prime number, and HCF is also known as the greatest common divisor, that is GCD. Let us see here, find the HCF of 60 and 75. 60, you can see that if we will do this method, then we will get here the answer 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and 75 we will get 3 into 5 into 5. Then why this is green? Because this is common in both. What is common? That is known as 3 and 5 is common in both. So HCF of 60 and 75 equal to 3 into 5 equal to. Students, same way we are going to do the lowest common multiple, that is LCM. What is lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple, LCM of two or more number, is the smallest common multiple of the number. Like find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. How we will find the common multiple of 4 and 6? Let us see here, an example is given. 4 dots are given, that is 4 into 1, 4 into 2 equal to 8, 4 into 2 equal to 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. So other number 6 table, 6 1s are, 6 2s are, 6 3s are, and 6 4s are. Means you can see that in 4 and 6 table, 24 is the common number. 24 is the common. So that we will say that 24 is the common number in 4 and 6. See, sixth multiple of 4 is 24 and fourth multiple of 6 is 24. The first common multiple is called the LCM, or the lowest common multiple. See, 24 is the first common multiple of 4 and 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 24. Same way we will see one more, that is find the LCM of 35 and 60. So 35 equal to 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35, and 60, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 will be 60. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So here 5 is the common multiple, means you can see that 5 is the common multiple. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. If we will multiply this, we will get the answer 420. So this is the LCM of 35 and 60. Same we are going to see some sums on LCM. See here the next page. Seema has piano classes once in every 6 days. Means she is having once in every 6 days. Swimming lesson once in every 4 days, and singing lessons once in every 8 days. Means we got 3 numbers, that is 6, 4 and 8. If she has all 3 activities on 1st April, then which date will she have all them together again? Means if she has on 1st April, she is having all this activity together, then which day she will have again same activity. So in LCM how we will do, we are going to write here 2 as the lowest common, 6 4 8, then 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 4s are, then this 3 will come down, 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4. So our LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So it will be 24. Thus Seema will have all the classes again after 24 days, that is on 25th April. If on 1st she is having all the classes, then next class she will have on 24th April. See students, here one question is given, that is relationship between LCM and HCF. Means we have to find the relation between lowest common and highest common factor. Product of two number will be equals to product of their HCF and LCM. See here one question is given, the LCM of two number is 1008 and HCF is 24. One number is 144, find the other number. LCM into HCF equal to first number and second number. So the first number is 1008 into second number 24 equals to 144 into second number. So it will be, second number will be 1008 into 24 divided by 144. So if we will divide that, we will get the answer 168. So our other number is 168. If the first number is 144, then the second number will be 168. You know, we have to do this cross multiplication, then we will get the answer 168. Understood?